Welcome back. Today we are unboxing Philips keypad phone, entry level phone, E102A black color. In one touch go. MRP 1399. Philips. Comes with a 1000 mAh battery, dual SIM, small 4.5 cm TFT display, feature phone. Box comes with a micro USB charging adapter, quick start guide, Please go through the manual for any doubts. Separate battery. Small one. Not finished. Comes with a small camera, speaker, micro USB charging point, aux input, torch at the top, rubber keys, looks good. Let's switch. Comes with a dual SIM slot, also memory card support. Color display, good for the children, senior citizens and other of use. Overall a good phone, under 1000 rupees, 1100 rupees available in the retail market. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.